In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Books. Connecting these two apps brings your sales and accounting data together, cuts down on manual entry, and lets your team work from one source of truth. Before we start, make sure you're an admin in both Zoho CRM and Zoho Books, and that your CRM is on the professional plan or higher. If you use multi-currency in CRM, the base currency must match the base currency in Zoho Books to allow full two-way syncing. Taking a minute to confirm these details up front prevents sync errors later. You'll begin the integration from Zoho Books. Sign into your Zoho Books organization, go to Settings, then Integrations, and open Zoho Apps. Find Zoho CRM and click Connect. A window will appear. Choose Select Organization, pick the CRM organization you want to link, and click Save. This establishes the connection and by default sets up a two-way sync so data can flow both directions between CRM and Books. If you work with multiple Zoho Books organizations, you can connect them to a single CRM org. Just note that the first Books organization you connect typically gets full two-way sync, while additional ones may be limited to one-way sync unless Zoho enables otherwise. Next, decide which modules you want to sync. Still in Zoho Books, under Settings and Zoho Apps, click Show Details next to the Zoho CRM integration. Under Configure Modules to be synced, choose the data you want to move between the systems: customers, vendors, items, and transactions like quotes, invoices, sales orders, and purchase orders. For example, to sync customers, click Configure Now. Choose your sync direction, either fetch from CRM to Books only or sync both ways. Map your CRM modules, such as Accounts to Customers and Contacts to Customer Contacts. Set how duplicates should be handled, then save. Take care with mappings so names, emails, and other key fields line up correctly. If you have a large data set, expect the first sync to take a bit of time. After your core records are set, enable transaction syncing. In the same Zoho Apps Details page, look for Sync Transaction Modules and click Enable. This allows you to create and view quotes, invoices, and orders directly inside CRM, with everything syncing to Zoho Books. These modules will appear in CRM under the Finance section for easy access. Finally, manage who can see and act on this data. In Zoho Books, open Zoho Apps, click Show Details, and choose Manage Users. Select the CRM users who should access financial modules and save. These permissions control who can create or view invoices, quotes, and orders from within CRM. That's it. Your integration is live and ready to streamline your workflow.